welcome. As you take this time for yourself, remember that you are more than just a physical being moving through the motions of daily life. You are energy, a unique vibration, existing in an energetic universe where every particle around you holds life, movement, and resonance. Your thoughts, feelings, and intentions are far more powerful than you may realize. They shape your reality, interact with the world, and manifest your desires. Consider that every experience, relationship, and opportunity you've encountered is part of this energetic exchange. The universe is responsive to energy. When you begin to understand yourself as an energy being, you unlock your potential to create a life aligned with peace, fulfillment, and purpose. Today, let's explore this concept and discover how you can elevate your vibration to attract the life you desire. You are, at this very moment, sending and receiving energy. Think of yourself as a transmitter, constantly emitting signals about who you are, how you feel, and what you desire. When your thoughts and emotions are rooted in positivity, love, or gratitude, you radiate high-frequency energy. This attracts experiences that match your elevated state. Likewise, when negativity, frustration, or worry dominate, these emotions emit lower frequencies, aligning with similar experiences in your world. Understanding this gives you the power to be intentional about the energy you choose to put out. Now, imagine each thought as a wave in a vast ocean, rippling outward and interacting with other waves. The energy of anger or resentment forms ripples that disturb, while waves of compassion and joy harmonize with others. As you practice tuning into your feelings and intentions, you can begin to choose vibrations that align with the experiences you wish to invite. When you understand that you attract what you vibrate, it becomes clear that transforming your life begins with transforming your mind and heart. Take a moment to close your eyes and connect with your energy. Focus on your breath, breathing deeply in and out, letting each exhale release any tension. As you breathe, visualize your energy expanding with every breath. Feel yourself as more than just a body. Feel yourself as a being of energy, capable of immense love, strength, and transformation. Recognize this energy is your tool to shape your reality, to bring forth joy, love, abundance, and peace. Every word you speak, every thought you think, and every action you take contributes to the energy you emit. Even the simplest actions, walking, breathing, interacting, carry energy. When your actions are grounded in intention, they create ripples in your environment. But the thoughts and emotions you carry are even more powerful, creating vibrations that are magnetic, drawing corresponding people, experiences, and outcomes. Have you noticed how certain people seem to attract positivity and success effortlessly? They are not luckier than others. They have learned to align their energy with their intentions, to send out signals that draw favorable experiences. This is available to you too. By cultivating awareness, you can make small shifts to create profound changes. When you notice anger or frustration creeping in, pause and realign. Recognize the frequency you're emitting and consciously shift it. Each small mindful action in this direction builds momentum. Let's explore practical ways to master your vibration. Start each day with intention. Upon waking, take a moment to set an intention for the energy you want to embody that day. You might choose peace, love, or courage. Hold this intention, and as you move through your day, remind yourself of it. By anchoring to a high vibrational feeling, you build resilience against negativity. Surround yourself with reminders, perhaps a mantra or affirmations, that reflect the life you're creating. Over time, these intentional practices become habits, lifting your overall vibration. Gratitude is a powerful tool. Take time daily to express thanks, even for simple things. The air you breathe, the food you eat, the people you love. Gratitude raises your vibration, making you more receptive to joy and abundance. Even when challenges arise, acknowledge them with grace, viewing them as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. When you look for lessons instead of dwelling on problems, your vibration remains aligned with growth and positivity. Remember, every thought has the potential to become reality. Think of your thoughts as seeds. When you plant seeds of doubt, worry, or fear, you nurture experiences that reflect these emotions. When you plant seeds of love, peace, and possibility, you invite experiences that mirror these. By consciously choosing which thoughts to cultivate, you can shape the world around you, manifesting the life you dream of. Focus on thoughts that build rather than break, that encourage rather than discourage. And know that protecting your energy is as important as raising it. Take time to step back from negativity and drama. Set boundaries with people or situations that drain your energy. You are responsible for your own well-being, and it's okay to prioritize your peace. Engage in activities that uplift you, whether it's time in nature, creative expression, or simply being with loved ones who share your energy. Einstein once said, "Everything is energy." The energy you invest in activities, relationships, and thoughts is powerful, and you are in control of where you direct it. It's easy to let life sweep you up, but remember that you have the freedom to choose. You can choose to bring love where there is fear, peace where there is chaos, and compassion where there is frustration. With each choice, you shape your vibration and, in turn, your reality. As you grow in awareness, you begin to notice the power of your own presence. You can become a beacon of positivity, inspiring others with your calm and centered energy. Trust that by aligning your vibration with love and gratitude, you not only elevate yourself, but also those around you. Trust in the universal flow and know that your energy attracts experiences meant to guide you, heal you, and help you grow. Imagine a future where you are fully aligned with your highest potential. Close your eyes again, if you like, and visualize yourself as you wish to be, full of joy, living with purpose, and effortlessly attracting abundance and fulfillment. Feel the energy of this vision. Let it fill you. With each breath, feel this reality becoming more and more tangible, each inhale bringing you closer to it. Remember, you are worthy of joy, love, and fulfillment. When you believe in yourself and the universe's capacity to provide, you unlock doors you never thought possible. Believe that you are capable, deserving, and infinitely powerful. This belief shifts your energy, and from that place of inner power, you begin to attract and manifest your true desires. Let your life be a journey of discovery, growth, and transformation. Know that you are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. As your energy expands, it ripples out, touching every part of the universe. Trust that the universe is ready to respond to your highest vibration, bringing you experiences that align with the deepest truth of who you are. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, for raising your awareness, and for choosing to live with intention. If this message resonates with you, feel free to share it. Wishing you a beautiful journey filled with light, love, and endless possibilities. Embrace your energy, align with your purpose, and trust in the magic unfolding within you.